Yo, what is going on YouTube? Reefy here. I'm back with part 8 of Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. So, to go over what happened last time, we was on planet Ardolis, fought a bunch of space pirates, met up with Tywin and the rest of the gang, found the secret of the Lombax treasure, or weapon or whatever. With that being said, we out to the next planet, Riken 5. With that being said, let's get this started. Let's blast off. Alright, we back with another rail shooter session like we did. We went to planet something. Alright, we here controlling Clank. Take care of these enemies real quick. Damn, this thing moves mad slow.
They are scanning our cargo bay. You didn't steal from them, did you?
Oh my god, I'm getting bodied. Alright, let's take care of them. Take care of this real quick. Oh shit, I might get bodied. Yo, do y'all hear this song right? Yo, music in this game is low-key fire. Alright, where the enemies at? Where they at? Alright. Do a homing attack, do a barrel roll. Alright, it's Captain Slag talking hot, but he's not ready. He's not ready to get this work. Alright, let's take care of these bozos real quick. Alright, hit him with a homing attack. Alright. Yo, I need some health. Alright. Boom, boom, boom. Alright. Take care of them. Yo, where's the health at? Like, for real? Oh, never mind, it's right there. Yo, I deadass feel like I'm playing Star Fox 64 again. I haven't played that game since I was a kid. Yo, if I had a Nintendo 64, best believe I'd be playing mad Nintendo 64 games on this channel. Super Mario 64, Donkey Kong 64, Mario Kart 64. Yo, Nintendo 64, that's my favorite video game console, but why am I talking about that when I'm playing a whole Sony console? Alright. Alright, take care. That's a sun? What the fuck? Yo, they flew past the whole sun and didn't even get burned up? Yo! What is their ship made out of? Fucking vibranium? Hey. Alright, that's out of the way. Alright, just shoot these to fly through them. If you don't shoot them, then you get damaged. Oh, a gold bowl, let's go.
He's taken out our harvesters, Captain.
Okay.
The rat just claimed another harvester, Captain.
I gotta turn my TV down, this thing is mad loud. Alright. Boom, boom. Destroy these things real quick. Alright. Let's take care of them real quick. Alright. Damn, how long is this part? Alright, let's go through these rings, get some health, even though we don't really need it. I think there's a boss fight coming up right here. Yup, I knew it. Alright, just like with the last boss. Just gotta fly in a square, keep dodging the shots, and keep shooting, and you're good. Just barrel roll if you have to, shoot a homing lasers if you have to. Do what you gotta do. Oh yeah, also he drops these lava pillars. Alright. Alright. Let's take care of this. Yo. Also, I just want to talk about this coronavirus real quick. I noticed that mad people are buying paper towel and toilet paper. Like, what makes you think wiping your ass is gonna prevent you from catching the coronavirus? Like, no matter how clean your ass is, you still likely to get infected. You can still get infected no matter how clean your ass is. Like, and also, wouldn't it make sense to stock up on vitamins and fruits and stuff to boost your immune system so you're less likely to catch the virus? But whatever, mad people is overreacting because of this virus. And it's like, think of it like this: we survived H1N1, swine flu, Zika, SARS, and all that. So why are people losing their minds? Like, yeah, people have a right to be scared and be afraid, but it's like, mad people are just overreacting. Like, what is buying paper towels and freaking toilet paper gonna do to prevent you from catching the coronavirus? But anyway, whatever. What do I know? Man, bro. Like, I understand the coronavirus is very serious. Don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to make a joke out of it, but I'm really calling out the people who are buying mad toilet paper and paper towels, thinking that wiping themselves with toilet paper and paper towels is going to prevent them from catching the coronavirus. Like, whatever. With that being said, that little section is done.
Understand. What are stones? Do I have them?
I'll tell you later. And no.
Alright, let's just dodge all these missiles just like when we landed in Strata City. I think it was Strata City, I don't remember, but oh my god, bro. If I die, I'm gonna be super tight. Alright, I didn't die. Oh my, yo, I gotta be careful, cause I'm definitely gonna die. But the buzz swarm, oh my god, I'm dead. Oh no. Alright, where's the leech bombs at when you need them? Here they are. Alright, that's better. Let me put a nano swarmer down. And I think you can only put one of these at a time. And right here, you're just gonna fight mad enemies, so it's a good way to get EXP and to level up your weapons. Damn, I'm out of ammo. Pull out a Shard Reaper real quick. Yeah, like I said, you're just gonna fight a gauntlet of enemies. You're just fighting mad enemies at this part. Alright, he's taken care of. Oh wait, there's a weapons dealer right there. Let's go see what he got. Alright, no new weapons. But I can upgrade some weapons. Oh, let's upgrade the Buzzblaze one now. Let's do more damage. More ricochets. Damage. Bolts. Alright, so all we can do for now. Like, also, if you're running low on health, feel free to just abuse that and heal yourself up. Because why not? Why am I not doing... Okay, there we go. Let me put down another nano... No, let's put down another nano swarmer. Alright. Oh, why is he taking so long to die? Damn. Fusion grenade. Alright, there we go. Nigga, die already. Thank you. Alright, he's dead. Oh, let me show off the raptor launcher. Alright. Last video we upgraded this from the Predator launcher. You know what? Yeah, let's upgrade the combustor next. Let me see if I can upgrade in this section right here. I doubt it, but I'm gonna try. Actually, that's not gonna work against them. Let me. I don't have any. Oh, I got this. Rubitron. I keep forgetting I have this. Alright, so you just activated the fuse. All you gotta do is just stand back. Alright. You got Kronk and Zephyr here to help you out, but they don't do that much damage, let's be honest. They're not doing much. They're about as reliable as Donald is when it comes to healing you in Kingdom Hearts. That means they're not reliable. Get some ammo real quick. Let's get the jackpot. Alright. Let's take care of these enemies real quick. Oh god. Alright. Alright, let's take care of this. Oh, I almost got hit. Alright, let me just get these bolts real quick. Alright. Oh, you about to level up the combustor. Alright. Take care of them. Just keep on going. What am I doing? Let me use the nano swarmers. No, not the swing shot. Oh, a little bit more. Just a little bit more. We level it up. Oh, I got hit. Alright, we almost there. Almost there. There we go.
Congratulations! You have upgraded to the Magma Combustor. Your weapon has been modified with 3 additional plasma barrels to cover more ground.
Wait, is it me or did the audio not play when I level up the weapon? Or is it just me? Eh, whatever, it's fine. Alright, next weapon I want to upgrade, fusion grenades. Alright. You know what, I've decided I'm going to upgrade every weapon in the game. Even the tornado launch, even though I don't like this gun at all. I mean, imagine having to move around and controlling it with the 6 axis at the same time. Like, if this weapon just seeked out enemies on its own, it would have been so much better. But nah, you have to control it with the 6 axis. AKA the motion controls on the PS3 controller. Like, it's not a terrible weapon. Like I said, I just hate controlling it with the 6 axis. Anyway. Enough about me ranting my motion controls on the PS3 controller. Save that for another day. Oh, wow. I'm out of ammo. Alright. Okay. Alright, that hurt. Let me go heal up over here. Let me get some ammo. Why not? Yeah, watch out for those missiles from those guys. Wait, hold up. Let me use the compressor gas. I almost never use this thing. Oh, I'm gonna die, aren't I? Nah, you gotta run back.
Welcome to the Quillnet weapon.
What weapon was I using? Let me pull out the nano swarmers. Alright. These weapons are good against shielded enemies. Explosive weapons, really great against them. Let me pull out the buzz swarmers real quick. Yeah, this weapon is way stronger than I remember. Alright, soon hit level 2. There we go. Alright, kinda needed that because I was running low on ammo. Damn, why is the dude not dying? There we go. Alright.
Oh, hey! I haven't seen shooting like that since the arachnid squabble on Precious 7. Come on, let's head to the spaceport.
Alright.
Looks like Tachyon's taking over the spaceport defenses. We gotta take him out.
Oh yeah, these things, you gotta shoot them, but you can't shoot the things, the ones that have the green mist around in front of them. A lot of ammo. Yeah, when they open up, that's when you just keep shooting at them.
Shoot when the turrets are exposed.
Yeah, I just said that. Shoot when the turrets are exposed. See? Destroyed one. Alright, this one's gonna open next. This one.
Keep going. We're almost through.
Alright. 2 more to go. Okay. And we got a level up. Let's go. I needed that.
Haven't seen action like that since.
Alright, before I continue, I'm gonna just get more weapon ammo real quick and heal up. Actually, I don't even need a heal up because I already healed up when I leveled up.
What can we do you?
Ratchet, come in. There's too much anti-spacecraft fire to land a
Wait,
ship
how do you do
anywhere
the...
near you.
There we go, it's R2. I was trying to activate these things. Alright, let's go up the elevator. Oh wait, there's an armor salesman right there.
New armor just in from Jacinth.
I don't even have, wow, I don't even have enough to buy it. Alright, we'll buy it later, no big deal. And you... Oh, this right here? Best device in the game, Mr. Zircon.
Use it wisely.
Literally all it is a little robot that follows you around and shoots enemies. But for some reason, it's just always been my favorite device in the game. Alright, let's do this, get some more bolts. Take care of that and get hit in the meantime. Oh, this guy again.
Well, hey there, friend. You picked a dangerous time to be visiting Ratchet 5. Old Percival has shut down the spaceport until he gets his paws on the Lombax secret. Well, I suppose you could use this here gyrocycle. Of course, a businessman such as myself couldn't part with it without some sort of monetary compensation. Now, careful with this thing. The Lombax I bought it from modified it with a Terra thruster. Oh, Lombaxes can't leave nothing the way it is, eh?
Alright, so we got the gyrocycle. Certain parts of the game you're gonna see these pads right here. Press triangle, we're gonna go through the gyrocycle sections. And I think this also has an option to control with 6 axis, but no, I refuse to control with 6 axis. Like the controls say, you move with L, and you press X for a burst of speed. Alright, let's activate those lights. Alright, and here now. Let's go through here. Let's go on up.
Rolling through hypergates will give you an instant
Alright,
speed
just
burst.
hold down X, just speed through, watch out for the fire. Alright, try and get as much raritanium as you can. Just go on through.
Alert the Emperor. The Lombax is entering the lava refineries using a modified gyrocycle. Move in fast and shoot on sight.
Alright. Let's hold down that X button. Oh, I almost died. Yep, just gotta go through here. Just wait for the fire to go down, go through and you're good. You know what? Man, why not?
Ratchet, the coordinates point to one of the rock islands in Sector
How did I get
4.
hit by that
There's
fire?
a strange heat signature coming from there. Way too cool to be sitting
Alright, let's go on up here. Hold up, what is down here? Me dying, that's what's down there. Just trying to go on that platform right behind it. Alright, let me not die this time.
Ratchet, the coordinates point to one of the rock islands in Sector 4. There's a strange heat signature coming from there. Way too cool to be sitting in the middle of a lava pit. I can't believe it. The Lombax secret is real. I'll see you there.
Okay. Let's go through here. Let me not go down there and die again. Let's go through here. I didn't even know I hit that. Wow. Alright. Just be careful going through here. Take your time and you're good. Alright. Let's go through here. Just launching up out of here. Alright, gyrocycle section done.
This is where the coordinates lead. Looks like an old bunker.
What do these symbols mean?
Can't read Lombax either, huh? Sorry. It says, in this room, a secret born, to quell the angry Cragmite storm. You've traveled far, but to be clear, without a tale, your quest ends here.
Welcome back, Lombax. I hope your long journey has been rewarding.
What? You've got to be kidding me! We come all this way and there's nothing here!
Looky here. It's one of those ancient holovid players. We used to watch old episodes of Lance and Janice on those certain things.
Congratulations, soldier. The Center for Advanced Lombax Research has selected you as the beta tester for the most important invention in Lombax history, the Dimensionator. Built by 8 of the brightest minds in Lombax history, the Dimensionator's ergonomic design is the culmination of nearly 3 Arcturian cycles of research. Now, with your help, we will finally end the Cragmite's long reign of terror. But before you begin, it is vital you observe the following safety guidelines. If you are pregnant, have a heart condition, or are allergic to interdimensional travel, please consult a physician before using the Dimensionator. Should you be inadvertently warped to the dimension of the Xanatharian death weasels, remain calm and access the pepper spray located in your beta test kit. In the unlikely event that the Dimensionator creates a time-space singularity and tears the fabric of the universe asunder, please log an A-bug and notify a programmer immediately. Following this orientation, please report to our testing facility on planet Sargasso for live training and deployment. Good luck, and farewell from the Center for Advanced Lombax Research.
The weapon used to vaporize the Cragmites was a hat. Oh, come on. There's no way a Lombax would invent something that ridiculous.
Oh, really? What about your nuclear-powered rocket sled? Your antimatter bathroom buddy? And let us not forget about the electroshock undergarments you invented last fall.
Stunderwear. Huge seller on Umbris.
Guys, you're missing the key word here. Interdimensional. There's more to this than we thought. Come on, we need to check out that testing ground on Sargasso.
Coordinates acquired for planet Sargasso.
Alright, now let's head back to the ship.
Ratchet, I'm gonna do a few repairs on Kronk and Zephyr. Then I'll meet you on planet Sargasso. The good news is Tachyon's forces don't know about Sargasso. The bad news is, well, let's just say there may be a few bigger problems to deal with.
Alright, that being said, let's teleport back to the spaceport. How many bolts do I have? I probably don't got a... Oh, 60,000. Alright. Enter the ship. Alright, so I'm gonna end the video right here. Part 8, Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm off this.